Welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen. Now we move to केस स्टडी 5। ये केस स्टडी है बैंक ऑडिट की। तो चलिए हम देखते हैं क्या कहती है ये केस स्टडी। The Kranti Bank Limited was having 150 branches all over India by the year ending 31st March 2024. 10 branches of the bank were already covered for the concurrent audit, and the Bank Audit Committee decided to include the below mentioned branches for current audit from the year 23-24. Muradabad branch, which started foreign exchange business from December 23. Ludhiana branch, whose aggregate deposit were more than 45% of the aggregate deposit of the bank. Mumbai branch, which deals in treasury functions like investment and interbank borrowings but not in bill rediscounting. Misty and Associates Chartered Accountants were appointed as a stock auditor by the Bank Audit Committee for 10 branches for year 23-24. The bank management appointed and fixed the remuneration of the Misty and Associates Chartered Accountants as the statutory auditor also for the year 23-24 for the same 10 branches for which they were given the assignment of the stock audit. At the Kerala branch of the bank, there were high value cash deposit in one of the current accounts during June 23. Viewer firm has been appointed as a concurrent auditor for the Kerala branch for the year 23-24. The cash collected by the branch was remitted to the currency chest on the very same day, but during the concurrent audit for the month of April 23 itself, the auditor noticed that the branch was unable to show intimation sent via email to currency chest for the cash remittance. Based on the above facts, answer the following MCQs. MCQ 1. Misty and Associate Chartered Accountants were already appointed for the stock audit by the audit committee for the 10 branches. So whether Misty and Associate Chartered Accountants are authorized to accept the appointment as the auditor, statutory auditor for the same branches, select the correct option for the following. So Misty and Associates Chartered Accountant can accept the appointment as they were already appointed for the stock audit of those branches by the audit committee. Already appointed stock auditor branches, audit committee तो नहीं होगा. Misty and Associate Chartered Accountant can accept the appointment as they have been appointed statutory auditors for the same 10 branches for which they were conducting stock audit. ये भी नहीं हो सकता है. Misty and Associate Chartered Accountants cannot accept the appointment as the audit firm should not undertake statutory audit assignments while they are associated with internal assignments. Here is the keyword, internal assignments. If any internal assignment with the firm, they cannot accept any statutory audit of the firm during the same year. तो ऑप्शन सी ही करेक्ट ऑप्शन है वैसे तो. और डी, Misty and Associate Chartered Accountants cannot accept the appointment as it was not offered by the audit committee and bank's management is not authorized to appoint the auditors. ये तो नहीं हो सकता. Now second, तो ये मार्किंग में थोड़ा सा क्लीन कर लो. ठीक है. Whether the bank management is authorized to appoint and fix the remuneration of the statutory auditor without consulting the audit committee of the board of director or the member in the annual general meeting, select the correct option in the following. वैसे भी जनरली बैंक के केस में हम क्या करते हैं, बैंक मैनेजमेंट कैन नॉट fix the remuneration of the statutory auditor without the permission of in the annual general meeting, members in annual general meeting. So option A, bank management can appoint and fix the remuneration of statutory auditor, नहीं हो सकता. Mystery and Associate Chartered Accountants were already appointed stock auditor, ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता. Mystery and Associate Chartered Accountants were already appointed for a stock audit of the audit committee, ये भी नहीं हो सकता. The bank management cannot appoint or fix the remuneration of the statutory auditor unless the same is passed by the resolution in the annual general meeting. यही आंसर रहेगा. You have been asked by your senior to verify the high value cash deposits at the Kerala branch. What parameters or documents will you verify as the concurrent audit of the branch? Select the correct option from the following. concurrent auditor has to verify the details of a cash remittance to currency chest only. You need to verify KYC documents of the customers, and the reason for high value deposit is no. You verify the KYC documents of the accounts in which cash deposited, verify the reason for which cash value deposits in the account, like nature of a business transaction etc. Verify the discrepancies found in the cash of the customers, if any, and ensure that the records of currency chest remittance are maintained properly. This is important. Record of currency chest maintained properly. जो केस स्टडी में उन्होंने दिया है कि वो मेंटेनली प्रॉपर मेंटेन नहीं किया गया है। अगर यह वाली लाइन आप पढ़ेंगे केस स्टडी है तो उन्होंने कहा है कि मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल 23 itself the auditor noticed that the branch was unable to show intimation sent via email to the currency chest for the cash remittance. तो कैश रेमिटेंस के लिए वो थोड़ी सी उन्होंने उनका कम्युनिकेशन वीक है. How the discrepancies of not preserving the intimation of a cash remittance to the currency chest by Kerala branch of the bank should be dealt by the concurrent auditor in his audit report. Select correct option for the following. Option A, auditor should report the matter as a major irregularity audit report to the management. B, the auditor should discuss the importance of the preserving the hard soft copy of the email sent for cash remittance with the branch manager and check for its compliance in the next audit procedure. तो ये आंसर सही लग रहा है जो उन्होंने उनको इम्पोर्टेंस बताना चाहिए और हार्ड कॉपी रखने के लिए बोलना चाहिए और अगले ऑडिट की जब भी प्रोसेस होगी तो उसमें वो चेक कर लेंगे. तो आंसर चेक कर ले. ऑप्शन सी पहला था मिस्ट्री एंड एसोसिएट चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट कैन नॉट एक्सेप्ट द ऑडिट, इंटरनल असाइनमेंट है तो नहीं कर सकते. और फिर था दूसरे क्वेश्चन में डी, द मैनेजमेंट कैन नॉट अपॉइंट और द फिक्स रेम्यूनरेशन विदाउट जनरल मीटिंग. ऑप्शन सी में था कि उनको मेंटेन करना चाहिए प्रॉपरली रिकॉर्ड ऑफ करेंसी चेस्ट का. एंड ऑप्शन बी में था कि ऑडिटर डिस्कस इम्पोर्टेंस एंड प्रिजर्विंग द हार्ड कॉपी ऑफ द ईमेल सेंट. ओके, इसी के साथ हमारी केस स्टडी 4 ख़त्म होती है. थैंक यू एवरीवन. थैंक यू फॉर योर पेशेंस. थैंक यू.